Hey guys, here with a hobby break of O-Pee-Chee Platinum. Just came out today. Swung by the shop and picked one up. You know, a lot of people are a fan of this set. It's the first time I actually have purchased this. Not a big fan of the O-Pee-Chee myself, but thought, hard side rookie. I'll just take a chance with one box here. All right. So it's essentially comes with one hard signed rookie card per box. It says card per box. I don't know if it's necessarily a rookie. But yeah, you get 4 cards per pack and 20 packs per box. So I think in the hobby, there's also the orange out of 25 exclusive, because this is also going to be on e-pack. One of those things, I'm a little worried with the e-pack stuff. It seems like they hold a lot of the good stuff back for that. But at least they're starting to add some hobby exclusive things to kind of incentivize you to get it. So I'll just show you what the base card looks like. Kind of shiny. Edges are a bit rough. They always have been, but nice cards. So first up, I'll just show you. It's just a retro of Leon Draisaitl. I mean, they are nice cards, nice looking cards. So marquee rookie of Travis Konecny. They essentially kind of look like the O-Pee-Chee, just the, the silver layer on top. So we got I guess this is a refractor. It's numbered, yeah. So we got a marquee rookie of Hudson Fasching. You can see it's kind of refracting a bit. That's 128 of 199. And another marquee rookie of Pavel Buchnevich. Oh. So here's a puck persona. It's an interesting card. Patrick Kane. And then we got another marquee rookie, this time of Jimmy Vesey. I still call him Vesey, whatever. Obviously, we're after the Leaf rookies. I saw one at the back there, not the one I want. Just a retro here of Noah Hannafin. And we got a marquee rookie of Brendan Leipzig. Alright. Got a rookie card retro of Dylan Strome. And then a marquee rookie of Jacob Larson. So if you're into collecting rookies and stuff, I guess this is probably the product for you. It seems like there's quite a few. The only other one that I could think of that has this many rookies is probably the Canadian exclusive Parkhurst. Oh, finally, an all-base pack. Yeah, the cards are nice, though. I do like them. Oh, marquee rookie. Kasperi Kapanen. He made his season debut last night. Had some good scoring chances for the Leafs. They beat Florida Panthers 3-2. Also, Austin Matthews scored his 35th of the season, which passed Wendell Clark for, I guess, rookie record on the team. No one's scored more now. Marquee rookie of Mikhail Sergachev. So we're almost done one side of the box. Oh, we have this is numbered Ice Blue Tracks. I don't know what the odds of pulling this are. Let's take a look. Ice blue, ice blue. Ice blue tracks. Oh, it's 1 in 10 packs. So an ice blue tracks of Jimmy Hayes. It's a nice card. And a marquee rookie of Trevor Carrick. Wow, Carolina. Wow, they have been on fire lately. They won again last night, putting pressure on everyone. Might be a little too late, but you never know. There's still like 8 games left in the season, so. Oh, another Puck Personas. This one, Martin Brodeur. And a marquee rookie of Steve Santini, sorry. All right. Just a retro of John Gibson. And a marquee rookie of Zach Werenski. He's having a fantastic year there in Columbus. See another Leaf rookie. Oh, we got a rookie auto. So, rookie auto on card is of Mike Riley. Rainbow. So it's a rainbow rookie also. Not numbered or anything like that. Pretty cool. Mike Riley, hard signed auto. And then marquee rookie of Connor Brown. We got another ice blue tracks marquee rookie. This one is of Lawson Krause. And we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. Marquee rookie of Sebastian Aho. Anze Kopitar. And then a marquee rookie of William Nylander, who also set a record. He's actually extended the streak to, what is it, 11 games now, or 12 games straight with a point. He's been on fire lately. Jeez. I don't know what happened to his season, but yeah, he's been fantastic. All those Leaf rookies, pretty impressive. We got a... Ooh, wow, that's kind of cool. So this is 11 out of 15. It's a parallel. Travis Konecny. Seems like a Konecny box. And we got a marquee rookie of Dylan Strome. 3 packs left. Another Draisaitl. I think it's a second Draisaitl. I don't have to show it to you again. A Braden Point marquee rookie. 2 packs. Oh, an NHL logo crest. This is of Henrik Zetterberg. It's nice. And last pack. We've got a Patrick Laine marquee rookie. And a Matthew Tkachuk. So we got everyone. We got a lot of rookies. So overall, you know, I say this box is kind of cool for collectors in general. I don't think the rookies are going to hold much value unless you pull one of those, you know, low numbered ones or the autos here, such as the Mike Riley auto. No, it's not numbered. I'm sure maybe the higher ones are. Overall, not bad. Not bad if you're a collector and you want a lot of rookies, as you can see. This is not including the rookie parallels and stuff like that, but you know, it's quite a few of them. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching.